This video demonstrates how to create and edit email signature templates using Sigsync Signature Editor. Sigsync Signature Editor. Sigsync provides hundreds of ready-to-use professional signature templates that are suitable for your business requirement. You can easily edit and design your signature templates using Sigsync Signature Editor. Sigsync Signature Editor comes with visual components such as table, text, image, AD placeholders, social media icons, personal fields, contact fields, analytics, one-click customer satisfaction survey, etc. You can create a new signature template from scratch or import an existing template and modify it as required. Let's see a simple way to design a signature template. Select the Manage Signature tab from the dashboard. Select the Signature Gallery tab. Sigsync provides hundreds of professional templates that are suitable for all your business requirement. Let's pick a template from the template gallery. The selected template is loaded into the signature editor. You can modify the template as per your requirements. Now let's add a disclaimer text. Select the table cell that contains the banner image, then click the table icon and choose Insert Row. Select the table cell and insert the disclaimer text. Change the disclaimer text properties as per your requirement. Preview the disclaimer in the signature preview area. Now let's save this signature template. Give a name to the template and assign it to an appropriate signature rule. Click the Save button. That's it. Try Sigsync for free today.